Hey Ryan, is it somebody's birthday?
Yeah.
Whose birthday is it? Should we sing happy birthday?
Birthday.
Okay, can you sing it? Ready, go.
Go.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Can you sing it again? Is it Daddy's birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Should we sing happy birthday to him?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? You start. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
To you.
Happy birthday, dear.
To me.
Happy birthday to